Well, he's hurt.
What are you doing, Mikey? Are you flashing everybody?
So,
He's hurt.
I heard you wanted to wash your kitchen floor.
I have a mop. You know what? Dirt doesn't bother me.
We just leave it. Mom left the chocolate milk that Gabby spilled.
I think we wiped it
Somebody
up.
else will clean it up.
It doesn't bother me at all. It used to bother me with the boys, and I said, what? It's something we can get cleaned up. It's a big deal. It's a big
Mikey!
deal.
Mikey, splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 Mikey. Splash. Ah, splash.
No, no.
Splash. Splash.
At least attempt to get a towel. Attempt. The alligator arms.
Alligator arms.
She did
Showed
it.
up.
Grandma Betty. She stands there.
Showed
No,
up.
she did it. No, she did it. She turned her back. She didn't want any part of it.
Showed
I was
up.
watching.